Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. OPPO Reno 13 Pro and Redmi K80 Pro are two flagship contenders offering impressive features in design, performance, and cameras. Both run on Android 15, but they cater to slightly different audiences. OPPO focuses on sleek design and selfie prowess, while Redmi emphasizes cutting-edge performance and multimedia excellence. OPPO Reno 13 Pro boasts a sleek aluminum frame, a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. The Redmi K80 Pro features a more compact 6.67-inch OLED screen with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a significantly higher peak brightness of 3200 nits. The K80 Pro also comes with Long-Lasting Glass 2 protection, offering durability advantages. Both phones have an excellent build with IP68 water and dust resistance, but the K80 Pro withstands deeper water exposure. While OPPO's larger display caters to those who love immersive screen real estate, the Redmi K80 Pro shines with its sharper resolution, superior brightness, and advanced durability, making it a better choice for outdoor and multimedia usage. OPPO Reno 13 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8354nm, offering balanced performance for daily use. It houses a 5800 mAh battery with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging support. In contrast, the Redmi K80 Pro employs the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset with blazing speeds and efficient processing. Its larger 6000 mAh battery supports 120W wired charging, enabling full charges in just 28 minutes. The K80 Pro outpaces the Reno 13 Pro with its flagship-level processor and faster charging capabilities, making it ideal for power users and gamers. OPPO Reno 13 Pro features a versatile triple camera setup, including dual 50MP sensors wide and telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Its 50MP selfie camera is a standout. Meanwhile, the Redmi K80 Pro offers a high-end triple camera system with a 50MP main sensor, 50MP telephoto, 2.5x zoom, and an impressive 32MP ultra-wide lens. Its 20MP selfie camera is less robust but still capable. While the OPPO excels in selfie quality and telephoto zoom range, the K80 Pro's ultra-wide camera offers superior versatility. It also supports 8K video recording, making it a better option for content creators. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro is priced around $465, while the Redmi K80 Pro commands a slightly higher price of $528. Considering the advanced display, processor, and battery features in the K80 Pro, the price difference seems justified. OPPO Reno 13 Pro offers excellent value for everyday users, while the Redmi K80 Pro's premium price is well suited for those seeking cutting-edge technology and enhanced performance. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro stands out with its high-resolution selfie camera, slimmer design, and superior color options. On the other hand, the Redmi K80 Pro introduces Long-Lasting Glass 2 protection, Snapdragon sound for audio enthusiasts, and extreme brightness levels. While both devices are premium choices, the K80 Pro's unique features like Snapdragon sound and extreme peak brightness make it an all-rounder for tech enthusiasts. OPPO's focus on design and camera makes it attractive to users who prioritize aesthetics and selfies. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.